Good morning. This is Lance, an equity analyst for ABCap, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. U.S. markets declined, dragged by tech stocks. The big tech has struggled this week, with Netflix declining 3% week to date. Meanwhile, the Labor Department stated that 1.3 million Americans filed for unemployment last week, which was higher compared to the 1.25 million estimate from Dow Jones. However, retail sales continued its hot streak, growing 7.5% in June, after the 17.7% jump last May. For a market outlook, local markets' direction will likely be dictated by the release of the 2Q results, which started to kick off yesterday with BPI's 2Q results. Corporate earnings are expected to decline 14% this year before recovering 13% in 2021. Among the industries that are expected to be resilient are services, particularly telco, consumer staple, and banks. Keep an eye on the market's major support level at 6,000 and resistance at 6,400. In other news, Moody's has affirmed its outlook for the Philippines as it cites its strong fiscal position will help mitigate the impact of COVID-19. It expects a pause in policy reforms amid the ongoing crisis, which could also put on hold improvement in the country's credit profile for the coveted A rating. Ratings are most likely to be maintained in the next 6 months to 2 years. Also in other news, according to Senate President Tito Sotto, the second tranche of the stimulus package for the Bayanihan 2 is expected to be passed on the third reading a day after SONA, which is on July 28. This is a 140 billion stimulus package, which includes funding allocation for various pandemic response programs, from the government's expanded testing to contract tracing efforts. In addition, the package includes 10 billion pesos for testing efforts, 15 billion pesos for Cash for Work program, and possibly for the hiring of contact tracers, and 17 billion pesos subsidy to support the transportation sector affected by the pandemic. And that's it for our market outlook. Have a good day.